Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll look at this lever. This will release the safety. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety latch release. If this is just completely loose, you might need to go behind this plastic to make sure all the cables are attached. That will go front. And this should be loose now. And here we're going to pinch and lift. Pinch and lift. It's got nice hydraulics that should hold it up for you, hopefully. But that's where it was hooked onto. And this is that little lever I was pushing. So make sure it's not broken, nothing stuck in here. If it's really sticky, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. And that's where it was hooked onto. And that's what that safety looks like that released it. And also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope that's helpful. And I hope you have a wonderful day.